Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from police on scene. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. A disturbance inside Atlanta's airport brings officers rushing in after reports of a man creating problems. What begins as a response to a disruptive individual quickly turns into a test of communication, compliance, and officer decision-making in one of the busiest public places in the country. The breakdown starts now.
Hey, come here.
What you want?
Sir,
What you want?
I got something of yours, your wallet. Sir, you want your wallet or not?
Officers have located the man's wallet, giving them a way to identify who they're dealing with, but instead of engaging, he ignores every attempt to communicate. And that lack of cooperation is about to shape the officer's next move.
Keep walking, doesn't bother me. Good. Good. I just take it lost and found. Huh?
There you go. What is it?
I asked you to come talk to me, you kept walking.
I told you what it is. What is it?
What is what?
What is it, right? What is it, right?
Is this yours, yes or no?
Yes.
The officer finally makes contact, but the man's behavior is immediately aggressive. That changes the environment fast, and officers will be watching closely to see if his actions continue to escalate.
I asked you to stop.
I didn't hear you.
You didn't hear me? Yes, you did hear me.
Can I have my ID?
Where are you going?
Can I have my ID?
Where are you
Can
going?
I have my ID?
Come
I'm
on.
about to get in trouble, sir.
Who's gonna get in
Can I have
trouble?
my ID so I can walk with you?
Who's gonna get? Come
Can I
on.
have my ride?
Come on.
The officer is about to guide him away from the area, but judging by his behavior so far, getting voluntary compliance may not come easy.
Come on, because you don't need to be flying.
Can I have my ID, please, sir?
Sir,
Can I have my ID?
walk with me or you're going to be going to jail to
Can I
Clayton
have
County.
my? I will walk with you, no worries. But can I have my ID? With
No, we're not going to play these games out here.
What have I done? I haven't done anything. Can I have my ID?
You was being a disturbance at this restaurant.
He wants his ID back, but the officer isn't ready to return it just yet. Officers often hold on to identification while they're still gathering information, and it looks like the employee is about to explain why police were called.
I just want my ID.
You called me a stupid ass nigga before you left twice.
Okay.
You called a girl a black girl.
Fine. If that's how you feel.
So come on, where are you going? Where are you flying
I'm going
to?
with you. What the fuck are you talking about?
Okay, come
Stop
on.
touching me.
Okay,
Stop talking to me. I'll walk with you.
stop touching you or talking to
Stop
you.
walking with me. I'll walk with you. Right? That's what you asked, right?
His behavior is becoming increasingly aggressive toward the officer. The longer that continues, the more likely officers are to shift from conversation to gaining control of the situation.
You want to make a scene?
right?
You want to make a
That's
scene
what you
out
asked,
of it?
right?
Okay.
That's what you asked, right? I will walk with you. Let's go.
You just dropped your
Hands are in my pocket.
you just dropped your credit card.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
You want to make a scene out here?
No, I just
Yes,
want
you
to
do.
get to
All
my...
this yelling and screaming.
The officer appears ready to end the back and forth. The man is becoming increasingly disruptive and drawing attention, while verbal commands aren't getting results. He's about to move in with handcuffs, and now we'll see whether he complies or forces officers to take greater control.
Oh my God. What,
Put your hands behind your back.
What are you doing?
I'm going to show you what I'm doing.
What are you doing?
Because we ain't not going to be doing this.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah?
Fine. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Go ahead. I can't believe that you would take a word.
The handcuffing goes smoothly, which is a positive change for the officers. Now the focus shifts to the walk to the patrol car, where they'll be watching closely to make sure he stays cooperative.
To fucking make it happen, bro. I'm all about you.
Come on. Okay?
Don't push me. Stop pushing me, bro.
Come on.
Stop pushing me. Man.
Walk.
I'll walk with you.
Walk.
I will walk with you.
Walk.
Stop walking with me. Stop walking with me. Stop walking with me, right? What? Stop walking with me.
The officer is working to regain control after a sudden scuffle. It looks like the situation is settling down, but the man's next move is something few officers would expect.
No. I'm fine.
The man is still on the ground, refusing to get up. With verbal commands no longer working, the officer looks ready to move him by force to get things moving again.
I was just trying to get to you, girl.
Come on. Go.
I was just trying to get a good with you.
Okay.
Officers are about to get him back on his feet. The next few moments will show whether he cooperates or whether they'll have to work even harder to move him.
You better fucking touch me, nigga. You better touch me.
Get up.
Hey, I didn't do nothing, brother.
I know. That's why you going to jail. Right down here, sir.
Fuck you.
The encounter ended with the man being taken into custody after a tense series of interactions inside the airport. No official information about charges or the final case outcome was provided with the released footage. This incident shows how quickly an officer's focus can shift from communication to control when cooperation breaks down. What are your thoughts on how this encounter unfolded? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, that's the end of today's breakdown. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments, how do you think this situation went down? Did the officers handle it the right way, or would you have done something differently? If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next Bodycam Breakdown.